Hello and welcome to Logic's Hub. Guys, in this video we can find the value of this difficult problem, which is minus 2 plus 2 times 5 whole divided by 2. So guys, do not skip this video, because in this video I can tell you about PEMDAS rule and also I can tell you about KCF rule. So don't skip this video because it is very important for you. So guys, our solution is, first of all guys, I can written this question in this form: minus 2 plus 2 times 5 close parenthesis divided by 2. Okay guys, now in next step I can solve firstly parentheses, because parentheses have higher priority than division. So firstly I can solve parentheses, but in parentheses multiplication have higher priority than addition and subtraction. So firstly I can solve multiplication. Minus 2 plus 2 times 5 equal to 10 close parenthesis divided by 2. Now in next step, minus 2 plus 10 equal to 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2 equal to 4. Guys, this is the final answer of this expression. If anywhere you can face an issue, then comment. I will reply your question, and kindly subscribe to my channel for more this type of amazing question. Thanks a lot.